Quorum, woody aquatic. There's some nice pine tree sandalwood, and overall amazing tobacco note in it. It's long lasting, real nice, old school masculine fragrance. It really smells like chopped up wood, like walking through pine forests. A little bit of green vegetation on the ground. Perhaps some water. Very distant, giving it a little bit of freshness through light citrus notes, like a lemon. Naturey fragrance, old school masculine. This is not a fragrance if you want to smell fresh, if you want to smell really dateable, if you want to smell like people smell today, like the sauvages or the real aquatic fragrances. No. This is one of the old school masculine hair on the chest putting kind of fragrances, and that's why I wanted to take it into nature. So let's walk for a bit, and it's a nice masculine old school kind of fragrance. It is projection. It's quite great. Online it's stated that it's quite medium projecting. However, 5 hours in, I had still people at a couple meters away from me noticing the smell, so it projects quite a long time in my opinion. But that's perhaps just because it's a real old school masculine kind of fragrance, and it's totally different from the fragrances people wear nowadays, so it's perhaps just stands out more than what you would think of. Longevity, I would say, is between 6 and 8 hours workday, something like that. Of course, depending on the amount of sprays, on the temperature, skin chemistry, all that kind of stuff. But I would say how colder it is, how more projects, or more projects, how warmer it is, how more it projects. But how colder it is, it just smells more fitting. This is really a hair on the chest kind of fragrance, and that's why I thought, come, take it on a walk. I would say this is the perfect nature walks fragrance. I would say it will perform really well, really nice on an office kind of setting, but out here in nature, walking through the mud. See the little bit of ice still on the water. this is a real nice masculine fragrance. I would highly recommend anyone, if you're just interested in these old school kind of fragrances. Of course, also watch my other videos on them, but definitely check this one out. I bought mine bottle for, I believe, something like 15 euros. So right here in the Netherlands. So if you're interested in fragrances like Kauros or any of the other old school masculine kind of fragrances, definitely check out Antonio Puig Quorum. I know there are many flankers of Quorum. I have not tried any of them as of now, as of this video. Perhaps in the near future, but honestly, Quorum gives me everything I want for my old school masculine kind of fragrance. Nice green, a little bit aquatic, a little bit fresh notes in it, but definitely clean green, old school masculine kind of fragrance. Fragrance that just beckons you. It's it wants to swear fealty to you. If you only take it outside in nature. That's really where I